back to Mini Lessons with Miss H, and today we're doing page 193 and 194, Unit 4, Week 5. Today we're focusing on reading a poem, and then we're going to use the visualize strategy to form pictures in our mind about what happens in the poem. So you should have a marker, and you should be following along. Here we go. First we have to write a prediction. The first game. The title. Illustration. I predict this text will be about kids skating for the first time. Alright, now I'm going to read and I'm going to annotate for character setting problem solution. Here you go. The temperature has been below freezing for days. The temperature has been below freezing for days. The pond is frozen now. The ice is as smooth as glass. I can ice skate outdoors. For the first time this winter, I put on my skates and laced them up tight. Then I step onto the ice and push off. Right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot. I glide over the ice like a bird. I spin in a circle and start over again. I look up overhead, the sky curves like a blue bowl. I look down below the ice, frozen bubbles look like crystal beads. As I skate, the cool breeze feels like cold fingers on my face. My cheeks turn as red as apples. It's warm inside though. It feels like a fire glowing. As I skate round and round the pond, I keep telling myself one more time, until at last it is the last time and I step off the ice. Landbound once again. So this poem had a character, and the character is the narrator. So I would have circled I. For the setting, it's taking place in a pond. Problem. I don't really see a problem. Well, maybe right here. And here it's cold. And the solution is, here the problem I put, until last is the last time and I step off the ice. Because I don't know if you've ever ice skated, but for me personally, when I ice skate, I'm always afraid of falling and hurting myself. So even though it's fun to do, you always have that problem in the back of your mind that you could always fall and hurt yourself really bad, right? So now I'm going to give you 1 minute to read the story, 5 minutes to read the story by yourself, okay? And I want you to annotate as much as you can. Let's see. I look up. Overhead, the sky curves like a blue bowl. Sky. Sky. Bowl. What about them is the same? They curve. I look down. Below the ice, frozen bubbles look like crystal beads. Wow, they have a lot of similes in this poem. You see a lot of like here. Frozen bubbles, crystal beads. What do they have in common? They look the same. As I skate, the cool breeze feels like cold fingers on my face. Simile. It's warm inside though. It feels like a fire glowing. Like a fire. What about it? It feels like warm, fire, how it feels. So those are the similes we found. We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 similes. All right. So don't forget, we're focusing on poetry and this week poetry and similes. And the similes are supposed to help you visualize or see in your head the poem. Okay? See you next time. Bye.